Hydration power of Vaseline petroleum jelly acts as an occlusive, trapping moisture on the skin's surface, making it a popular choice for dry skin. It can create a protective barrier that helps lock in hydration, ideal for dry patches or cracked skin. Brightening effect of lemon. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, both of which are known for their skin brightening properties. It can help lighten dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and even skin tone over time, but must be used cautiously due to its acidic nature, combining hydration and brightening. By mixing Vaseline with lemon, you potentially combine the intense moisturizing benefits of Vaseline with the brightening effects of lemon, giving your skin a dual-action treatment. Potential for exfoliation. Lemon juice, due to its citric acid content, can act as a mild exfoliant, removing dead skin cells. However, overuse can lead to irritation or dryness, especially for sensitive skin types. Concerns over lemon's acidity. Lemon juice has a pH of around 2, which is quite acidic compared to the skin's natural pH around 4.5 to 5.5. Applying lemon directly to the skin without dilution can cause irritation, redness, and even burns, particularly if exposed to sunlight after application. Sun sensitivity risk. Lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, leading to an increased risk of sunburn or photodermatitis. It's critical to avoid sun exposure after applying lemon to the skin or use sunscreen. How to use safely. To minimize the risk of irritation, use small amounts of lemon juice mixed with Vaseline and apply it as a spot treatment rather than over your entire face. Always do a patch test before applying it to sensitive areas. Benefits for dry, cracked heels. This mix can be especially beneficial for treating cracked heels and dry feet. Applying the mixture to the feet, then wearing socks overnight, can lead to softer, smoother skin in the morning. Use as a lip treatment. Vaseline is known for being a great lip balm, and adding a few drops of lemon can potentially exfoliate dead skin cells on the lips while providing hydration. However, be cautious as lemon may sting sensitive lips. Suitability for skin types. This DIY mix is generally better suited for people with dry or combination skin. Those with oily or sensitive skin should approach with caution, as Vaseline can feel too greasy, and lemon may cause irritation. Frequency of use. It's important to avoid using this mixture daily. For most, using it 1 to 2 times a week is more than enough to avoid over-exfoliation and irritation from the lemon juice. Myth versus reality. While there are some benefits to using Vaseline and lemon together, it's not a miracle cure for skin issues. The results will vary from person to person. If you have specific concerns like acne scars or severe hyperpigmentation, thanks for tuning in. Folks, don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more.